grade, it's 10 already.
Okay, so that's the video of me attending my kids' recognition and moving up. And normally, naririnig ko yung mga parents nagkasabi na ang galing-galing naman ng anak ko, nagmana talaga sa daddy niya to or sa lolo niya to. And I know that you want to congratulate your kids sa medal or sa award na nakuha nila. But did you know that telling them na kaya niya nakuha yung medal na yun ay dahil nagmana siya sa inyo is not actually helping them. It's actually giving them the fixed mindset na ang success na mamana. So before, ganun din yung ginagawa ko. Before, sinasabi ko rin sa anak ko na nagmana ka talaga kay daddy, nagmana ka kay mami, magaling sa math, magaling sa ganito. Pero after I've learned that that's giving the kids the fixed mindset, binago ko na. So instead of telling them na nagmana sila, I'm congratulating them na kaya niya nakuha yung medal or yung award. It's because pinaghirapan nila at nag-sacrifice nila. And because of that, it gives them the growth mindset na ang success pinaghihirapan. So bata pa lang, turuan na sila magkaroon ng growth mindset, hindi fixed mindset. Teach them.